Hi everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and today we're going to do our cash stuffing for our March Paycheck 2 closeout. So we've got some money here to put away. We'll be putting this towards some extra things that we want to get done, some goals that we want to meet. So I always love doing this. This is super fun and I'm excited. So we are going to go ahead and get started. I'll see you all in just 1 second. Alright, let's get going because this one can take a little bit of time. I need to pull out my envelopes. I'm missing a couple of them, but here they are. So we have debt. In this envelope, it's house debt and credit card debt. We have student loans that we put more money towards. So we have our emergency savings envelope. There we go. We have our house savings, our house emergencies. We have security savings right there. We have student loans, which I already put aside. We have car emergencies, our car savings. We need tech, which is in another envelope. All right, there's tech. And then we need business. So let me pull out that envelope. Closeout income. There we go. So here's for business. Alrighty. Let's get started now. Alright, we have to figure out how much we need to put in what. So we have $43 total. We're going to do 20%. So 43 times 0.2. So that's 8.6. And we're going to round this one up to $9. Oops, up here, $9. So we know we'll do the same for house debt, so that'll be $9 as well. We have 10%, so that's 4. These ones should be 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and then we have 5%. 2.5. So we're going to do 2 for this one. 2.15. And let's see how much we have. So 9 times 2 is 18. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 20. And then plus 2. Seems a little low, huh? Oh wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go, it's 25. I was like, that doesn't seem right. Okay, so 9, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, it's still 20. 20, because 4 times 5 is 20. And then we have $2, so if we have, ew. So we want to do 3 for business and 3 for tech. Is there anything else you want to put more towards? Let's put $5 in student loans. So an extra $1 there. $3 in business and $3 in tech. Let's do that. Or do we want to do like a 10? Let's do 2 for tech still. And let's do $10 for a house. That's exciting. Okay. Alright, now we put monies away. Since we know that house debt is going to get 10. Now these ones, so we're looking at 19 total. So what I might do is just give it a 20 and take $1 back. So there we go. Add that 20. And then I know that I need to write on here 04-01. And that's credit debt. It had $36 and it's getting 9. So that's going to equal $45. And then house debt, I had to figure out how to spell debt. It's 37 and it's getting 10, so that'll be 47. And so those are 45 plus 47. That should be $92 total. Let's add them up. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1, 2. Perfect. Alrighty, so that was easy enough. Okay, on to our next one. So those two are done. So we check and check. And now we're looking at, let's go ahead and do let's do student loans because that's getting a 5. So that'd be a lot easier to do. So student loans. I don't know if have I written, oh, I did down here. Okay, so I need to make a new one. Okay. So March Paycheck to Closeout. We have student loans. They should have 58, so let's count. 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. Perfect. So now we're adding $5. You know what I should do? I should take the 10 and I should trade that for 1.5. Yes, let's do that instead. Okay. And 58 plus 5 is 63. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63. Perfect. Okay, 63 for this one. Then we have, we can go ahead and do home emergencies. And home emergencies have 64. Home. So that's 20, 40, ooh. Okay. 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. And home emergencies, home savings is getting 4. So let's see what that'll look like. We could just the 1, take the 5, perfect. 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 67, 68, perfect. 68. Put that away. And then we have car emergencies, which had 89. That's pretty good. Let me see if I can figure out where it is. Oh, and we want to check. We've done student loans. Ooh, this is messy. We've done student loans and we've done house savings. And now we're at car. Should be 89, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Getting 4. We'll do the same. Trade that. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93. 93. Then we're going to do new car. I was going to say, I don't know why. Oh, okay, okay. New car. We'll go back and do that one then. Where's new car? Oh, new car doesn't, oh, okay, new car doesn't go on this one. Let's see, we have security savings though. And that one's getting 4. So this will be a new one to add. So I don't know how much this one should be. So 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76. Okay, and it's getting 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope I have enough. Now I'm looking at it, I'm like, wait. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. Is that, who am I missing? Did I do car? I did car emergencies, yes. I just did security. I did student loans. I haven't done emergency get 4. I think I did too much. I was gonna say, I feel like some of these are too much. You're supposed to only equal 43. Let's just add them. 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 10. Ooh, that's 40. 45. Okay, yeah, so I did too much. Who do we want to take some from? We'll do $2 for business. So that's $1. So that'll get that back into control where it's supposed to be. And then I should have only did 4 for, I should have did 9 for house debt. But I like that the way it is. Should one of these get a little bit lesser? I don't want to take from what I've already taken from. Because I feel like emergency and I feel like security are important. I have an extra $1. I'm just going to throw that extra $1 in because honestly, I still want to, I want to keep the numbers where they are. So we're only doing, so we have 2 and 2. And y'all don't do this. Y'all should follow your numbers. You know, you follow your numbers. But we have 2, 2. And then we should have, hold on. Okay, yeah, 2, 2 for that. We're adding this one in. We have 1, 2 for this one, so that should be the 4 that we were missing. And then that should be everybody's. Okay. And then let's go in and count these. So we have 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. So we have $80 now in security savings. Okay. 80. And then we have emergency. And that one is 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83. It gets $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Recount those. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 87. Okay, perfect. And then I will count the ones that are going towards technology and closeout income, but I won't be able to say how much they're supposed to have because I don't keep track of those. So technology, well, I do, but not on this one. Technology I keep track of. 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. All right, text done. Ooh, this is taking a little bit of time, which is why I did not combine these two together. And then close out. Oh, had nothing, so $2. Yay. Alrighty. And that is it. Now we are zeroed out and ready to go. Woo, all right, y'all. That was some work, but we did it. So now I will take this and put this into April. I hope I have April's done. I just now realized, oh yes, fantastic. I was gonna say, I hope I put additional ones in there for April. So April will be next. That's it. March is officially done. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you have a great one. Have a great day. Take care of your money. Take care of yourselves. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.